Here we are at the Bright Angel Lodge. This is a one queen cabin, 6160. This cabin is super close to the rim, only about 100 meters away, but this cabin was not booked with a partial view or anything, so we just got lucky with this. These cabins are great. They have one queen bed, they have heating, but they do not have air conditioning, but there is a great fan. This cabin seems a bit nicer and bigger than our other room that we had, our other cabin. That could be because it's handicapped accessible, and it also just seems maybe newer. These cabins have a mini fridge, a coffee machine, and then in this closet there is a safe and an additional heater, because it probably does get cold here in the winter, and an ironing board. There's a TV and drawers, and also a great big bathroom with a big shower roll-in, and then a toilet and sink. Some of the rooms at Bright Angel Lodge do not have toilets and showers, but the cabins do have toilets and showers here. It's a great cabin, we love it. This cabin is much better than our other one, but they're both amazing cabins, so close to the rim here at the Grand Canyon.